Hi everyone, this is Cooking with Kurt. Today, my husband Donald and I are going to show you how to make bulalo. This is a Filipino beef bone marrow soup, and it was one of my favorite things to eat growing up.
And ever since you introduced it to me, it is now one of my favorites. To start, we're going to remove the blood from the meat and bones. Take a non-reactive bowl like glass or stainless steel. Add in 2 pounds of beef bones with marrow and 1 pound of beef brisket that's been cut into bite-sized pieces. Sprinkle it generously with salt and rub the salt in thoroughly. Add enough warm water to cover the salt-covered meat and bones and let it soak in the salt water for 1 hour. This helps to draw out and remove any blood. After 1 hour, drain and discard the salt water and any accumulated scum, and rinse the meat and bones thoroughly with cool, clean water. Put the brisket in the fridge till needed. Take a large pot. We're using our large 5.5 quart Dutch oven for this. Add in 8 cups of cool water and add in the cleaned bones with marrow. Do not add the brisket yet. Heat over high heat and bring to a boil. Once it's boiling, cover with a lid and turn down to low heat.
Let the bones gently boil for 1 hour. After 1 hour of boiling the bones at a gentle simmer, lift the lid and skim off any scum that's accumulated at the top. Then add in 1 tablespoon of whole peppercorns, 1/4 cup of soy sauce, 1 yellow onion that's been peeled and quartered, the white part of 4 stalks of scallions chopped, and the pieces of brisket. Cover with the lid and continue to cook on low heat for another 2 hours until the brisket is fork tender. Just to note, fish sauce is traditionally used rather than soy sauce, but since I have a shellfish and fish allergy, we're using soy sauce instead. After 2 hours, the brisket should be fork tender. Add in 2 medium potatoes that have been peeled and cut into 2-inch cubes and recover with the lid. Cook the potatoes for 10 minutes until the potatoes are fork tender. When the potatoes are done, add 2 ears of corn that have been husked and cut into 3 pieces, and half of a small napa cabbage that's been quartered, but make sure to cut the ends so the individual leaves separate. Add the lid back on and continue cooking for 5 minutes. The cabbage will soften and get submerged in the soup as it cooks. Finally, add the green parts of the scallions that have been chopped. Mix them in a bit so everything is submerged in the soup. Add the lid back on and continue to cook for another 5 minutes. And there it is, bulalo, Filipino beef bone marrow soup. Serve over freshly cooked jasmine rice. Ang sarap.
Yum.
So good. That bone marrow with jasmine rice combo takes me back.
And the soup is so flavorful, and my favorite part is the cabbage. Delicious.
Thank you so much for watching. Please let us know in the comment section below if you're planning to make this bulalo. Send us pictures of your dishes on Facebook, Instagram, and TikTok. Links below. And if you like this video, don't forget to give us a thumbs up and subscribe to Cooking with Kurt.
And don't forget to click on the bell so you get notified when we post new cooking videos. And for our written recipes and more, be sure to check out cookingwithkurt.com. Maraming salamat!